see, it's just not ideas tab at the moment. They're just muting stuff. If you can see at the top here, it hasn't been arranged whatsoever. I tend to start my beats now in the ideas tab. It's so much more useful. Well, for me, it's useful. I mean, some people say they can't get to grips with it, but for me, it's great because I can just load up pattern after pattern after pattern, and then this scene one could be just like, could be intro, yeah, and then the next one here could be like verse. So then what I can do is I can okay, so what we can do here is we can have pattern 3. Let's just duplicate this 3 times. So duplicate, and then we duplicate it here. These are 2 patterns. This one here. Right, but I didn't really like that. So what I can do here is I can, if I go to say like, okay, if I select the bass here, we'll just highlight all the notes and delete them off. So now pattern 3 is just going to be the sample with the drum beat. Right, so what I can do here now is get rid of the sample. So now it should just be drums. Okay, so I can name this as drums. And then now this is going to be so if I go to intro, and now verse would be I could call it drums and sample. So drums and samp, and then I can do like, I don't know, verse alt here, and then so this one will be all drums all. So intro just the drums, then the verse, then all. Take it from the top. Let's go. Let's go. I've just made a mistake. I needed to remove the bass from drums and sample. Yeah, I need to remove the bass from here. So this should be it. I just wanted to put a period there, because a full stop there, because basically I just it's nothing really. I'm not going to use these 2 patterns here. Okay. So verse is drum and psalm, and then verse. Alright, cool. So start from the intro. Into the verse now. This is just an example, by the way. This is more like a pre-verse. Okay, let's go. See what I'm saying? So now if I want to arrange this, I could just go into the range window here, then go to append and then select intro for the first scene. The second scene would be verse, the third scene would be verse alt. As you can see, these are all scenes here. So if we just play it from the top like that. That's basically it. That is how I start my tracks now, with using the ideas window, and then after going into the range window, and then sort of just track it out like that. And obviously I wouldn't have it all bunched in one group. I'd have like drums in group 1, and then, you know, bass in group 2, and then your leads in group 3, etc, or group C. So anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Love to hear what you guys think of this, and see you in the next one.